In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Jira email notifications. If you're like many of us who find their inbox constantly overwhelmed with messages from various platforms, this tutorial is designed to bring some relief by helping you manage and reduce those notifications coming from Jira. So let's dive right in and guide you through turning off these notifications in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Your Work section in Jira. This is essentially your personalized workspace where you can view and manage what's most relevant to your tasks and responsibilities. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL that links directly to your Jira dashboard, or simply search for Jira and log into your account. Once you're in, locate your work from the main menu or homepage. This section is designed to streamline your workflow by showing you everything you need to focus on, so it's a logical first step for accessing your settings. Next, let's find where the magic happens. Clicking Settings, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. The Settings menu in Jira is your control center, offering various options to customize your user experience. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu containing several choices. Keep an eye out for personal Jira settings. Clicking on this will bring up a page dedicated to personalizing how Jira fits into your work style and communication preferences. Now that you've reached the personal Jira settings page, the next step is to find the subsection labeled Projects and Issues. This is where you'll start fine-tuning what kind of interaction you have with Jira in terms of visibility and communication. By clicking on Projects and Issues, you open up additional options focused around how your specific projects and related issues are managed in terms of notifications and activity tracking. Think of this area as the command center for managing the specifics of how you want to receive updates. You'll now see the option under Send Me Emails for Issue Activity. This is where you'll be making the change to reduce or stop the email notifications that are cluttering your inbox. The setting you are looking for is sometimes nestled among various other toggles, so be sure to scan through and pinpoint exactly where it states notifications regarding issue activity. Here, you can adjust whether Jira sends you emails for each issue event or activity that occurs within your projects. Once you've located this option, go ahead and click on it to highlight the toggle. Sometimes user interfaces have a default setting of sending you emails for any slight adjustment made in the status or details of issues you're involved in, which can certainly add up quickly. By clicking to adjust this setting, you'll gain immediate control over the volume of notifications you receive. Simply toggle it to off or customize it further to only alert you under specific conditions that are important to your role or projects. The key here is to consciously decide which notifications are vital and which ones you can keep on Jira alone, checking them at your convenience instead of having them populate your inbox constantly. This can be a significant step in managing your workflow, allowing you to focus on emails that truly require your attention without missing essential updates on your collaborative platforms. With this change in place, you should notice an immediate improvement in the amount of Jira-related emails you receive. Your inbox will thank you, and you'll likely find yourself feeling more in control of your communications as a result. This streamlined approach allows you to allocate your attention and time more wisely, a simple yet effective way to boost your productivity and reduce digital clutter. So that's it. In a few straightforward steps, you've now learned how to manage your Jira notifications effectively, helping maintain a clean digital workspace while keeping essential updates accessible when needed. Remember, achieving clarity and efficiency can often be as simple as optimizing the tools at our disposal, sending you off to conquer your tasks with less inbox stress. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes a positive difference in how you manage your work communications. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital productivity. See you in the next video.